Hi guys, hope you're having a great time watching Chetan's content on his YouTube channel. Aisha Makchu Chetan ki big time fan ne. I've been following him since a very long time. But before I go ahead, let me quickly introduce myself. I gaming JEET KSHETRICHA and I'm a singer, songwriter, music composer. And recently, I gi single na mukhag release tawjakhibne laklo kauba. Adugi ishaido aise Chetan gi through dagi Chetan gi fan mayam Chetan gi audience ta tahanjaning bane. And I'm so thankful to Chetan for agreeing to do this and somehow finding a way to use my music as a part of his content and present it to you guys. So all I wanted to say was please give it a listen. Hopefully some of you guys will like it.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯔꯥꯅꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯟꯊꯨꯡ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯐꯝ ꯂꯥꯞꯅ ꯇꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯆꯤꯜ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯇꯧꯗꯣ ꯎꯔ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯜꯂꯛꯆꯕ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯦꯛꯂꯥ ꯅꯪꯗꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯔꯝꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯃꯣꯃꯣꯟ ꯈꯔꯗꯪꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯪꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯤꯒꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯄꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯩ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯍꯟꯈꯣ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯪꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯌꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯣ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯣ Nungshira-maru Nungshira-mari Nungshibay-damak Hinglam-gi khali Kalak-pa-nang-shu Mihaw-ba-ma-shu Ngay-ko-kay-daw-ge Matam-si-tili ꯂꯥꯞꯅ ꯇꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯆꯤꯜ ꯅꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯜꯂꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔ ꯏꯌꯨꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯣꯜ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯝꯃꯨ ꯏꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯃꯣꯟ ꯈꯔꯗꯪꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯈꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯪꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯤꯒꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯄꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯩ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯍꯟꯈꯣ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯪꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯌꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯣ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯣ
It's on a channel called Kanglei Alternative. Just to give you a quick info about Kanglei Alternative har channel se we are planning to release alternative music from Manipur through this channel, and it will have contents related with music makers, artists, etc. And if any one of you happens to like alternative music and you'd like to support alternative artists from Manipur, please check out the channel. And last but not the least, I'm so grateful to Chetan for letting me do this. So thank you so much, Chetan. I'll talk to you soon.
ನಂಗೆ